Welcome to another episode. My name is Ifedayo, and we'll be talking about common multiples. When two or more numbers have a multiple in common, then the numbers are known as a common multiple. Find the first two common multiples of 4, 6, and 8. 4, 6, and 8. If you look at it here, it has actually been solved for you here. We have 4. The multiples are 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, and so on like that. 48, 52, 56, 60. 6, we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. And we have 8. The multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. Now, what are the common multiples? The common multiples here are those ones that are so common together. We have 24, the 24 here together. We also have what is also common. We have 48 that is so common. So we are being asked out. The question is the first two common multiples. So we have 24 and then 48. Now the next one is write down the 3 common multiples of the following set of number 5 and 6. If you are being asked to write for 5 and 6, first of all write for 5. What are the first common multiples of 5? We have 10, we have 15, we have what else? 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, and so on like that. And for 6, we have 12, 18, 24, we have 30, we have 36, we have 42, we have 48, we have 54, we have 60, and so on like that. But here we are being asked to get the first 3, if I'm correct. But 60, then we have 66, we have 72, we have 78, and another 6, we have 84, and then we have plus 6 is going to be what? Plus 6 is going to be 90. And here, if we continue, we have 65, we have what else again? We have 70, we have 75, we have 80, we have 85, and we have 90. So if you look at it, the first one that is so common among the two of them is 30. If I'm not mistaken, it 30, and we also have 60 here. We have 60, and we also have what else again? We have 90, and we also have 90 here. So the first 3 numbers, common multiples, are what? We have, it has actually been written for you here. We have 30, 60, and 90. So, but I think I've solved it for you. 30, 60, and what? And 90. And for the second one, we have 3, 10, and 15. But 3, 10, and 15, the common multiples for 3, 10, and 15 are 30, 60, and 90 as well. So please, in the comment section, please solve this for me. Find the first 4 common multiples of the following set of numbers: 4 and 7, 2, 5, and 7, 3, 6, 9. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.